Right guys, a quick review of the Ultenic T10 Lite robot vacuum cleaner. Let me start by saying that in 15 minutes this robot quick maps your house. You can follow that in the app where you can control the robot. It is compact and that allows it to go under the furniture, sofas and any tight spaces. It is very silent also, I must say. Goes on carpets quickly and easily, works with Alexa and Siri for example. It is so precise because of an upgrade chip and laser Lidar navigation. It has a powerful suction, as you can see in the quick video. Has a runtime of up to 180 minutes, plenty time to clean your house. And in the end of the cleaning, has a self-emptying base that collects debris from the vacuum in seconds. With a capacity of 2 liters and built-in UV light. This is a no-brainer. This is a great vacuum cleaner that you should have in your house.